Hi everyone, welcome to Arunachala ECE channel. I am going to give a brief introductory note on embedded and real-time systems. Myself, Baraka F. Stanley, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE from Arunachala College of Engineering for Women. The contents in my presentation is introduction, definition, examples of embedded system, advantages, disadvantages, and applications. First, we will see about what is embedded. Embedded means joining together any components. What is system? System is an arrangement in which all its units are assembled and work together according to the set of rules. Thus, the embedded system is a combination of computer hardware and software designed for a specific function or functions within a large system. So hardware means the machines, wiring and other physical components of a computer or other electronic system. Software means a program or group of programs designed for any of the applications. Embedded system consists of very wonderful operating system which will be a compact, fast and extremely reliable. Embedded system is a collection of programs that run under operating system. These programs can be reprogrammable or it can be used with a fixed function. The embedded system can be designed and it can be run with or without the human intervention. Next, we will see about the definition of embedded system. Embedded system is an electronic electromechanical system designed to perform a specific function and it's a combination of both hardware and software. The combination of hardware and software which together form a component of a larger machine. The main advantage of embedded system is that it consumes low power and it will be of in small size and the cost is very low. Now let us see the components in the embedded system. The components are processor, memory, peripherals, then next the main program, that is the software. Processor is the heart of an embedded system. Based on the functionality of the processor, the embedded system will work. The processor can be of any type. It may be of general purpose processor, a single purpose processor, an application specific processor, or a microcontroller or an FPGA kit. Memory in the embedded system stores the main program and RAM stores the program variables and temporary data. Memory is another important part of the embedded system. It is divided into RAM and ROM. RAM is random access memory and ROM is read-only memory. Next, the peripherals. In order to communicate with the outside world or control the external devices, an embedded system must have input and output peripherals. These peripherals include input or output ports, communication interfaces, timers and counters, etc. Next, the main program is the software. Software part of an embedded system includes initialization of the system, controlling inputs and outputs, error handling, etc. Next, why we are going for the embedded system? A good embedded system must consist of receiving information, processing information, and conveying information. Receiving information will represent the input, processing information will represent the processing capability of the embedded system, and conveying information will represent the output. Let us see some examples of embedded system. First one is digital camera. The digital camera is a typical example of an embedded system with data collection, storage, representation of data. Images are captured and the captured image may be stored within the memory of the camera. The captured image can also be presented to the user through a LCD display unit. Next example is digital hearing aid. It's a good example. In this digital hearing aid, the apparatus will be fixed to a person's ear, so the outside world's audio is the input to the hearing aid. This hearing aid will amplify the external audio and it will be given or passed to the person. Next is ECG. The full form of ECG is electrocardiogram. So it is a very good example. It is mainly used for monitoring the heartbeat of the patients. Next is smartphones. The mobile phone is an example for embedded system. In the mobile phones, the user interface is provided through the keyboard, graphic LCD module, system speaker, vibration alert, display units, keypad, lights, bells, etc. Next, we will see some advantages of embedded system. The first advantage is that it is able to cover a wide variety of environments. Next is it is less prone to errors. Next is the cost is low. By using embedded system, we can enhance the performance of it. Next is the embedded system is useful for mass production. Next advantage is it is highly reliable. Very few interconnections only will be there. Next advantage is it is of small size. It has a fast operation, offers an improved product quality. It optimizes the use of system resources and it consumes only less power. Next is its disadvantages. So for designing an embedded system, we want high development effort. Next is it takes much time to market. Next disadvantages: embedded system can't be programmed to do different things. It can do a very specific task. Next is embedded system offer very limited resources for memory. Next is it does not offer any technological improvement. Next disadvantage is that it is difficult to back up the embedded files. Next we will see about the applications. Some of the applications are specified here. First one is consumer electronics. Next is embedded system can be used in household appliances like television, DVD player, washing machine, fridge, microwave oven, etc. It can be also used in home automation and security system, and it can be used in automotive industry, telecommunication, computer peripherals, computer networking systems, healthcare units, measurement and instrumentation units. It can even be used in banking and retail, and even in card readers, embedded system can be used. The summary of my presentation is introduction, definition, examples of embedded system, advantages, disadvantages, applications. Thank you all.